It's 1:30 p.m. and today I'm eating white rice with 8 huevos estrellados and some chiles de vinagre. A comer. I'm gonna pour some of the juice on the eggs and the rice. Yolk is my favorite part of the egg. Take a bite, take a bite, take a bite. Last bite. Peace.